Visiting the markets of Mysore is a feast for the eyes. Mysore, a city renowned for its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a truly enchanting experience for market enthusiasts. The moment you step into one of its bustling markets, you are greeted by an explosion of colors, sounds, and fragrances that captivate your senses and spark an immediate sense of wonder. The Devaraja Market, located in the heart of the city, is a must-visit destination. As you wander through its labyrinthine alleys, you find stalls brimming with fresh produce, aromatic spices, and intricate handicrafts. Beyond its visual splendor, the markets of Mysore also offer a glimpse into the city's soul. Here, tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously, weaving a tapestry of cultural richness, and engaging with the warm, welcoming locals and learning about their crafts and traditions is an experience that leaves a lasting impression. The vivid use of flowers, fruits, and vegetables create a kaleidoscopic display. A stroll through the fragrant rows of the flower section revealed an awe-inspiring array of blossoms in every conceivable shade. The scent of jasmine, rose, and marigold fills the air, transporting you to a realm of sensory delight. Equally captivating are the spice vendors, their stalls a treasure trove of vibrant powders and seeds. The rich aroma of freshly ground spices hints at the culinary menus awaiting to be created. The streets of Mysore are filled with a vibrant life, captivating visitors from all over the world. Mysore is also famous for its rich cultural heritage, stunning palaces, temples, and serene gardens, making it a popular destination for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. As a lover of history and architecture, a walking tour from the Devaraja Market to the magnificent Mysore Palace is an experience I wholeheartedly recommend. It's a journey that engages all your senses. Forget hopping into a tuk-tuk. This walk is about soaking it all in. experiencing the city's pulse and anticipating the grandeur that awaits you. The city's rich heritage is palpable in its majestic palaces, temples, and fortifications, each serving as a testament to the wealth and grandeur of past dynasties. From the imposing Mysore Palace to the Chamundi Hills, the city's architectural landscape is a veritable treasure trove of intricate carvings, ornate arcs, and majestic domes. Each structure tells a story of bygone era. Although they have stood the test of time, their histories remain vibrant because they continue to inspire awe in all who visit the city. Leaving the market behind, I stroll towards the palace, my anticipation growing with each step. The architecture along the way is a captivating blend of styles, reflecting the city's rich history and the influence of various dynasties that ruled Mysore. I pass by smaller temples, each with intricate carvings and unique architectural details, hinting at the religious significance interwoven into the city's fabric. The Majestic Palace, with its impressive architecture and magnificent halls, is a testimony to the glorious past and a symbol of royal splendor. The Mysore Palace, a stunning example of Indo-Saracenic architecture,